Today I'm going to show you how to tighten your chain on a Stihl MS Pro chainsaw. Step number 1, loosen the bar nuts. I like to make sure mine are finger loose. That way I know there's no tension on there. Now, step number 2, insert flathead into adjustment screw slot. Turn adjustment screw clockwise. And as you can see, the chain come up to the bottom of the bar, The drivers are gonna go into the bar. And once the link stops at the bottom of the bar, I'm gonna stop. To test the tension, I'm going to pull up at the middle of the bar and I'm going to tighten it until the middle driver here is at the top of the bar. So see how I can pull hard and pull it about 1/4 inch past? I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more. Probably 1/8 of a turn. I'm gonna pull up on that with medium tension and it's about where I need it. I'm gonna go a little tighter and that's where I'm gonna leave it. Now finally, step number 3, tighten bar nuts. Good couple half turns, alternating between the front and back bar nut. Until I get them both snug. Then I'm gonna give them a good snug down here. 1/8 turn, 1/8 turn. You are all set.